Okay, so I decided to make an acai bowl, and usually I don't see them with anything added to it. And I just kept thinking I would love some oatmeal in mine, so I put a few oats at the bottom of the bowl, and I just poured in a little bit of almond milk, and the almond milk absorbed right away. Next, I'm going to take my acai packet, and yes, you can buy them unsweetened, which is, I think, the important part for me. The reason I never had these before was I just kept thinking it would be too much sugar. So unsweetened, I'm going to add some frozen raspberries, maybe a few frozen cherries, and banana, and some Greek yogurt. This is the brand of Greek yogurt that I buy. I am definitely biased because I am Greek. So this is the brand that I buy when I'm in Greece, and this is the brand that I buy here, and I'm really excited that I can even get it here. So I'm going to add this as well, and then we'll top it with all kinds of goodies. Okay, so I blended the acai pack with some raspberries, a few cherries, a bit of yogurt. I think I probably used about maybe half a cup to 3/4 of a cup, and half a banana. But it was really difficult to blend, so then I grabbed this out of my fridge. It's basically, let's see, pear juice, coconut milk, lemon juice, uh, cherry extract, and a couple of preservatives. Not a huge deal. Anyway, I put this in here and it made it all better, and now I'm ready to build it up. So here we go. I'm just gonna pour this right on top. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a lot though. So I've never had one before, like I said, so I'm not quite sure what it's even supposed to look like, but it looks like a giant bowl of delicious frozen things. Okay, so these are pepitas, pumpkin seeds. I'm just going to sprinkle those around. Okay, what I have here is my mix. So I'm going to have a little bit of fun adding. One thing I want to add is some cardamom. It's one of my favorite spices. Sometimes I combine it with cinnamon and sometimes not. So I'm just going to sprinkle it here before I start to add my other goodies. Cardamom is really good. If you've never had it, it's a warm spice. It is in probably the same family as cinnamon, but it comes from these little seed pods, and it's so amazing. You'll find cardamom more in Indian cooking. Okay, I already added some pepitas. I'm going to add some almonds. Okay, I'll go around this edge. I have some hemp seeds, hemp hearts actually, that I really like. I'm going to put those all the way around. These are really high in protein also, so I think if you're having a breakfast like this, it's important to get protein during breakfast. It is a very important meal. So I would recommend something like hemp hearts. And then of course, coconut is just amazing no matter what you do. So I'm going to apply it liberally because I'm a huge fan. And then here, and these are cacao nibs. So just add a few more to the middle and then sprinkle them on the outside. And then you can also decorate it with any fresh fruit that you have. This is the banana that I used in the smoothie, so I'll just add that. Now, I already mixed fruit in here, but if you want to make it pretty, and some people do, you can add more. I didn't put any orange inside, so for me it's fine to put it here on the outside. There. And I'll add a few more frozen berries. One thing I joke around with a lot is the fact that I'm an artist, but ironically, I'm not very good at making food pretty, and I don't know why that is. I think I just maybe lack the patience. So just add a few raspberries because we can. And then whatever else you have handy. And that's it. Probably add chia seeds or other types of nuts. You know what? I'm actually a big almond fan. I might put more almond just because I really do like them. And I'm also a really big coconut fan, so I think I'm going to add more coconut. Now, if you want to add sweetener, you can. You could do like a drizzle of honey or something like that. Or you can just eat it like this, because what I mixed in with the acai, I mixed in cherries and raspberries. Raspberries aren't super sweet, but cherries are. And the banana adds some sweetness too. Now we've added the orange, that also adds a little bit of sweetness. So you decide on your own if you need to add any sweetener to it. For me personally, I don't need it. But for you, maybe a little bit of raw honey or some maple syrup. That's it. Enjoy. I am certainly going to enjoy mine. And stick around for more videos on health and healing, nutrition, wellness, yoga, all of the things. All of the things that make us happy and keep our health intact. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time.